Hello and welcome to Math with Dotun. We're still on our circumference series and we have a question here. What is the circumference of a circle with radius 3 centimeters? What is the circumference of a circle with radius 3 centimeters? This is different from the ones we've been doing before. We've been working with multiples of 7. Alright, and then you find this, that's for the basic schools, the elementary school, from year 4 to year 7, year 8. Alright, and as you progress, you have questions that would warrant you to use your calculator or to, use your calculator to, and this is one of it. Alright, except you have to leave your answer in terms of pi. Okay, so let's start by writing the formula. So we use circumference equals to 2 times pi times radius, since we have the radius. Okay, and then we have 2 times pi times 3 centimeters. Okay, and then we have 2 times 3, that's 6, and then that will be 6 pi centimeters. Okay, if you press 6 times pi, you would have 18.84955 and like that, okay, centimeters. Okay, then you can take this to 1 decimal place and that will give you 18.8 to 1 decimal place. To 1 decimal place.